Despite the trade restrictions imposed on it in 2022 by the U.S., China's Semiconductor Manufacturing International Corporation (SMIC) managed to become the world's third-largest foundry by revenue in Q1 2024. According to the latest numbers released by Counterpoint Research, the global foundry industry's revenue increased 12% year-on-year during the first quarter of the year, with Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing company TSMC exceeding market expectations. The company saw its market share increase from 60% to 62% and retained its number one spot. With the same 13% market share as last year, Samsung Foundry remained number two. The company's revenue decreased due to smartphone seasonality, with the Galaxy S24 emerging as a bright spot as the mid-low-end segment struggled due to weak demand. SMIC's better-than-expected quarterly results helped it out to UMC and Global Foundries to earn the number 3 spot in foundry revenue market share. What makes the victory remarkable is that the company had never placed third before. With a market share of 6%, it's far from taking over TSMC and Samsung, but the feat is sure to make the US nervous, which is already wondering if SMIC violated export curbs to make chips for Huawei. US sanctions require American companies to apply for a license before they can sell to SMIC, impacting its ability to purchase cutting-edge technology and advanced chip-making tools. The company surprised everyone when it managed to make a complex 7nm chip without access to extreme ultraviolet UV equipment, which is made by Dutch company ASML, which isn't allowed by the government to sell to SMIC. SMIC apparently employed a technique known as multiple patterning, which repeats the lithographic process with DUV equipment to make 7nm chips. This workaround is believed to have been expensive though, and it could be challenging to produce chips at scale this way.